Alright, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to get things started. First thing we're going to do is we're going to do the clear setup, and then that hopefully will clean. And as you can see here, the light went on there, and it's going to do some kind of cleaning situation. I want to give a shout out to the SLA channel, YouTube channel, because they provide a lot of helpful information for people like myself who didn't have this printer to begin with. And so I learned a lot there. Now, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to dump the resin in there. Come on. Not coming out very smoothly. That's all of it in there. That came in the bottom. Hopefully we get it all. It'll smooth itself out. Hopefully. First time doing this, so I have no idea what I'm doing. But hopefully. And in some other videos that I've seen, this was not attached. In this particular case, the machine came with this attached in the right place, so I didn't have to unscrew anything, and hopefully it won't leak, which is the only issue you might have, I guess, with this. Alright, so it seems that's all set up. We'll go back, and I guess, I'm not sure if you need to home it. Maybe we need to home it first. I don't know, I've never done this before, so it looks like the system is coming downwards. See, it's coming down. I'm just homing it. And this attaches with little magnets, that's all you gotta do. I hope that it will auto level, because that's one of the features that comes with this printer that's supposed to be so good. So let's hope that's the case. Alright. It's doing its thing. Cool. Alright, so now we're going to go down here and start our first print. And, wait, yeah, profile, no, we'll go to print. And we're going to try, which one should we try? I'll just try pig. I don't know, there's a GIF. There's a Target, there's a CWS. I think it's probably going to be this one. But, you know, I've never tried it before, so I don't know. Sure, why not? Okay. And we'll go back here, and then it's doing something. Guess it's getting ready. I have no idea what it's doing. Just went up and then back down. It says homing though, so I guess that's a good thing. Go check it out down there. Says homing. Oh, now it's saying leveling. Cool. Alright, I'll go back here and see. It is now leveling. That's nice, because I don't like the idea of having to level anything. I've had a lot of printers that you need to level, and that's just not fun. So it's nice that they have this feature where it takes care of that itself. Also, the Monoprice Mini Delta has the same amazing auto leveling feature. So it's nice that these printers all have it. You don't have to worry about it. Now it's changed down there. It says exposure. So, yeah. It is extremely quiet compared to any other printer that I've used. So that's obviously a plus. And I guess it's saying move now, so I'm guessing it's printing. So I'm going to close this off, and I will see you in the next video.